Good morning, second grade. Miss Fogelman here today for your writing lesson. Let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so we have been talking about poetry this week, and today we are going to be learning about how poets use repetition in their poems. Remember, repetition means that they are writing the same words over and over again. Repetition is something you can include in your poetry to really make a phrase or word stand out. Let's watch the following video on using repetition in your poetry. No snow, lots of snow. Everywhere we look, everywhere we go. Snow on the sandbox, snow on the slide, snow on the bicycle and outside. Snow on the steps, snow on my feet, snow on the sidewalk, snow on the sidewalk, snow on the sidewalk, down the street. What was repeated in that the word snow, right? And snow on the sidewalk and everywhere. By repeating those words and phrases, the author emphasizes the main idea. Now, all right, so just a quick video about using repetition in your poetry. Uh-oh, it seems that Miss Fogelman has lost her. Boop, wrong one. Give me 1 second. Introduction to, there we go. All right. Let me get to the slide that I need. Okay, so this is our anchor chart for repetition. Repetition is when a word, line, or stanza repeats over and over. Here's an example in this poem called Car Sick. I'm car sick, open a window. I'm car sick, take this pill. I'm car sick, rest your eyes. I'm car sick, shh, be still. I'm car sick, drink some ginger ale. I'm car sick, can you try to wait? I'm car sick, now we're almost there. I feel better, darn, too late. All right, so the main idea, of course, is that this person is car sick because they repeat it over and over again. And that leaves you with an idea of how desperate they are and how sick they are from driving in the car. All right, the other one on this page is, inside the ocean, I see fish. Inside the waves, I hear a splash. Inside the water, I felt a fish. It seems so big as a whale. It has to be, but then I see it's a tuna fish. So here they repeat the words I and inside, okay? And they repeat inside to give you the idea that it's something that's actually in the water, in the ocean. Again, repetition is when a word, line, or stanza repeats over and over. Remember, a stanza is like a paragraph. All right, so let's find the repetition in this poem. Which, where do you fly? Under the clouds and over the sky. Which, what do you eat? Little black apples from down the street. Which, what do you drink? Vinegar and runny red ink. Which, where do you sleep? Up in the clouds where the pillows are cheap. Okay, so of course in this poem, we are seeing which repeated throughout the poem. Okay, and this is to remind you of who they're talking about or talking to. So we see it here and here. And of course, it tells you the main idea, which it also tells you in the title. The main idea is the witch. Okay, and we're asking her where she flies, what she eats, what she drinks, and where she sleeps. Whoop. All right, let me get my mouse back. All right, in Shobi, you are going to read a poem called Open a Book. You will be looking for the repetition in the poem. So here are the directions that I want you to follow. Okay, let me pull up Shobi. In Shobi, I have included the poem Open a Book. You are going to press the record button, record yourself reading the poem, and then you're going to go through and circle the places that you see repetition. Again, you are first recording yourself reading it, then you are circling the places that you see repetition. Okay, I'm going to read it for you. Open a book. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book and you can share wondrous words you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I'll read to you. All right, so you have your directions there. Make sure you get into Shobi and complete that. All right, have a good day, everybody.